Hello everyone! Today I come to show you a little piece of paradise. This small farm is isolated with 400 square meters overlooking the valley. It is less than 200 meters from the Ramalhoso stream, with beautiful views of the valley. Consisting of small terraces, it is the ideal place for a campervan or yurt. On site, there is a mine and a small dam in need of cleaning. It already has olive trees, freshly cut pine trees and orange trees, accessible to 4x4 vehicles. If you want to live or spend your weekends in this small piece of land, book your visit now. See you soon!